So he left and you want him back. And you get to manifest him back, babe. The universe always says yes. It says yes to whatever you ask for. But it doesn't say yes to you asking verbally. It says yes to what you're asking for energetically. When we're chasing, begging, pleading, trying to convince someone to come back, we're in a state of need, of lack. We're activating needy energy. And the universe is saying yes to that. We get more of that energy that repels. When we're in a state of confident, magnetic queen energy, that attracts. The universe also says yes and gives you more of what you want. To manifest the love you want or anything else in life, you need to learn to activate your queen magnetic energy and release the needy energy that is repelling. I walk you through the steps to get started in the masterclass in the link below. It's only available for a limited time.